No way! The DJI Osmo Nano just leaked again, and this time we've got retail box photos straight from reliable sources. Yay! Finally, a closer look at what DJI has been hiding. But wait, what? The front panel artwork is missing. Interesting. Could it be intentional, or just how the leak surfaced? Now, let's talk specs, because this thing is looking straight up epic. The Osmo Nano rocks a brand new 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, delivering crisp 4K video at up to 60 frames per second. Woohoo! Add a 143-degree ultra-wide field of view, and you're crushing it with immersive action shots that keep distortion low. Boom! Color performance? Straight fire. The 10-bit D-Log M mode means higher dynamic range, better highlight and shadow retention, and more flexibility for color grading. Awesome! If you're into cinematic looks, this is unstoppable. Design-wise, DJI went modular and magnetic. Seriously. The dual-sided magnetic system lets you snap it onto any steel surface and start recording silently. No doubt, that's next-level convenience. Plus, it's lightweight and portable. What's not to love? And guess what? The retail box contents are just as exciting. Inside, you'll find the DJI Osmo Nano camera, a multifunctional vision dock for stabilized multi-angle shooting. Whoa. A protective case, magnetic hat clip, magnetic lanyard, dual-direction ball joint adapter mount, USB-C 3.1 cable, and the usual quick start guide and warranty info. Crushing it! Seriously? This little beast is shaping up to be one of DJI's most versatile pocket cameras yet. DJI may have just nailed the compact action cam game. The new Osmo Nano popped up in an Australian webshop, and now we have the fully leaked DJI description, pictures, and spec sheet. Here we go. The wait is finally over. DJI has officially unveiled the Osmo Nano. And wow, no way. This little beast is dropping on September 23rd, 2025, and it's already making waves. With prices at €369 for 64 gigabytes and €399 for 128 gigabytes, it's even cheaper than the Insta360 Go 3S. Woohoo! That's awesome news for creators who want pro-level gear without breaking the bank. Let's talk specs, because this thing is straight up epic. The Osmo Nano packs an all-new 1/1.3-inch sensor, capable of shooting 4K/60 frames per second video with stunning detail. Add in a 143-degree wide FOV and 10-bit color with D-Log M, and boom, you're crushing it with cinematic quality in your pocket. But wait, what? A lightweight magnetic dual-sided design and up to 200 minutes of battery life? Seriously? Whew, that's fire. Plus, fast charging means you'll spend less time waiting and more time creating. Oh yeah, and here's the kicker. It's got live view and remote control support, direct mic input with Osmo Audio, and even a 10-meter waterproof IPX4 vision dock. Can't believe it! Of course, stabilization is where DJI flexes hard. With horizon balancing, you can correct tilts within plus or minus 30 degrees. No more crooked horizons. And RockSteady 3.0 keeps footage smooth while preserving that first-person thrill. That's unstoppable. Guess what? For vloggers, travelers, and action junkies, this might just be the pocket-sized camera dream come true. The Osmo Nano isn't just good. It's straight up unbelievable. Sure, it was supposed to arrive on September 15th. Oh no, a short delay. But honestly, the buzz hasn't slowed down one bit. DJI has been teasing us with the slogan, "Own the moment," and this little powerhouse looks ready to deliver exactly that. Weighing in at just 58 grams, lighter than most smartphones, the Osmo Nano is basically a pocket-sized POV revolution. Its magnetic mount system means no more bulky clips. You can snap it onto your clothes, helmets, or even your bike and just roll. The design screams freedom, simplicity, and creativity on the go. Now, let's talk specs, because wow, they don't disappoint. We're looking at DCI 4K at 60 frames per second, UHD 4K at 120 frames per second, and even buttery smooth 1080p slow motion at 240 frames per second. Pair that with DJI's RockSteady 3.0 stabilization and horizon lock, and you've got footage so smooth it'll feel like movie magic. And don't worry about power. The Nano runs for up to 2.5 hours, charges 80% in just 20 minutes via USB-C, and gives you 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes built-in storage with microSD expansion. Insta360 better watch out, because DJI's ecosystem synergy might just make the Nano the new king of ultralight cameras. It was leaked by none other than major retailer Adorama. And guess what? We caught it before it disappeared. The listing popped up, screenshots were taken, some subscribers even tried to pre-order, but oh no, the page crashed, and within minutes, poof, it was gone. That's when you know things are heating up. This baby is launch ready. The listings showed us everything we needed to get hyped. The DJI Osmo Nano standard combo, 64 gigabytes, at $399.99. Hell yes, free shipping included. Or if you're going bigger, the 128 gigabyte version is $429.99. And wait, there's even a new accessory, the bidirectional magnetic ball head assembly, for just $34.99. Perfect for those creative setups. The only tease? Images coming soon placeholders. Okay, so here's the deal. The DJI Neo 2 has officially been spotted in the FCC database, thanks to sharp-eyed leaker Maro Tandoy. That's a huge milestone, because FCC certification means the product is ready for sale in the US. And let me tell you, this might be DJI's most underrated release of the year. So whether you're a casual drone flyer or just someone who loves new tech, this update is definitely worth your attention. Let's break down what we know, what's confirmed, what's rumored, and why the Neo 2 could quietly become DJI's next sleeper hit. Now, before you get too excited, this doesn't mean it's launching tomorrow. DJI could pull the trigger next week, or keep us all waiting for months. But judging from their past launch patterns, most FCC-certified products go public within 4 to 8 weeks. That means we could be looking at a late August to September 2025 release window. Fingers crossed. As for the price, nothing's official yet. But here's the good news. All signs point to the mid-range zone, right between the ultra-budget Tello and the higher-end Mini line. We're talking around $449 to $599, which makes the Neo 2 an attractive option for beginner pilots who want pro-level features without breaking the bank. Sounds tempting, right? Now let's talk about what makes this little drone actually exciting. First off, let's start with the design. Double-layered propeller guards. We saw it in a leaked prototype, and it's clear. DJI is going for safer, more refined protection, which is perfect for indoor flying or first-timers. This thing looks like it could take a few hits and keep on flying. Redesigned lightweight body. It keeps the classic mini drone silhouette, but gets a sleek refresh. More aerodynamic, more portable, and probably under that magic number of 249 grams to avoid registration in many countries. That's a win. Section 4. Camera and tracking upgrades. Big changes coming. Here's where it gets really interesting. Bigger camera sensor, 1 out of 1.3 inch. Whoa, that's a massive leap from the original Neo. We're talking ballot or low light shots, sharper detail, possibly 4K at 60 frames per second, and even a D-Cine-like color profile for some juicy color grading potential. Oh yeah, that's a mini beast in disguise. Active Track 6.0, focus tracks. DJI's tracking tech is no joke, and if this rumor is true, that means buttery smooth subject tracking, smarter movement detection, and just cooler cinematic shots, all from a drone that fits in your pocket. Add in some HDR photo modes and improved dynamic range, and it's looking more and more like a tiny powerhouse.